Hi guys, I'm Travelwelldunn, where I inspire you to travel with your taste buds near and far. And today we are doing a pickle tasting. Now, I am not a fan of pickles.
I'll say my pickle for a nickel. How about 2 cents?
Womp womp. But I have a special guest today who loves pickles, so we're gonna get two different opinions. Someone that loves pickles. I am a pickle hater, but we have 5 items, as you can see right here, that we're gonna try and we're gonna rate 1 through 5. 1 being the least liked and 5 being the best. And it's gonna be a wild ride. So without further ado, let's bring in our guest to see who it is.
A few moments later.
Everybody, this is my daughter, Jaden. All right, and she's gonna help me out. So, Jaden, what should we start with?
Let's do the popcorn.
Let's do the popcorn. We both love popcorn. Water here because, yeah, hopefully it ain't gonna be like bleh, the popcorn. So we have a pickle store in Jacksonville, Florida that sells all types of pickle things, pickle memorabilia, all types of pickle stuff. It smells very dilly.
It smells like popcorn.
Okay, typical. It is hand seasoned in small batches, made with ruby red kernels and pure olive oil. Nothing artificial. All right, hand out. All right, that's a lot of popcorn I gave you, huh? Yeah. You gonna try more than one? Let's go. Put a hand. Is that how you eat popcorn, girl?
Why are you the way that you are?
It's like a subtle flavor. All I'm tasting is dill. I love some popcorn. Okay, I'm not mad at it.
I am.
Okay, what do you rate it? 1 through 5, go.
1.
Dang, we're starting off low.
It's really not
I'm
that
gonna give this
bad.
like I'm gonna give this a 3. It is not terrible. The pickle flavor is very subtle enough for me. And the dill is very forward. We deserve a drink. After that 1, and what did I give it, a 3?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go on to a drink. So this is Grandpa Joe's Pickle Pop from the same store. I don't have high hopes for this. And if I spit it out on camera, I apologize already, okay? So, I gotta give enough, right? Oh, it smells like, what does it smell like? Listerine? What does it smell like?
It smells like pickles.
No, it does not. The first, oh
Cut the show. I'm done.
no! We lost our light. It's fine. The show must go on. Oh, I gave her a lot more. That's disgusting. Just right on camera. Ugh. Oh my God. But
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
-1.
Oh, 1.
That is terrible. That is a 1. 1. So we haven't been too successful, have we? No, not at all. So the next thing we're gonna try is the pretzel sticks. Okay, I have high hopes for this. I do. What do you?
I don't.
Okay, well I do because the popcorn wasn't terrible. Like I gave her way too much. The popcorn right now is the winner. That's not saying much since I gave it a 3. I'm thinking these pretzels, I hope these pretzels are better. Lip smacking, finger licking, goodness and crunch, good. Let's try it. All right. Oh.
1.
Okay.
Okay. It's not bad.
Okay. Okay, now wait a minute.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right
They're
now.
actually really good. Yeah. They're definitely crave worthy. 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm not getting a lot of pickle flavor. You? Not really.
Like a 4.
Like pickle dust. Why'd you give it a 4? Because you want to taste more pickle?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I'm giving these a 5 because I'm pretty sure this is the best pickle flavor thing that we're going to eat today. A 5. These are good. Oh. Moving on to the next snack. Brine is usually like mixed with alcohol drink, but you know. So this is a probiotic pickle juice, live brine, and the flavor is blue spirulina and lemon. Dang, you thirsty? Want a natural cleanse? This is one of the things they suggest, but I don't know. Ways to use: rinse and brine, blend into a smoothie or pressed juice. She's a smoothie fan, so I don't know if she would do that.
In a smoothie?
Yep. Splash on salsa, blend into dips and sauces. If you want to liven your party up.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Drink to rehydrate after a workout. Dash your salad. Brush on grilled veggies as a salt substitute. Okay. So this has a lot of benefits.
I put it on my salad.
We'll see if you like it. Here we go. Look at my little cup. Oh, Lord. Oh, that's a lot. My bad. Oh, Jaden. That was such a hard sniff.
It just smells like vinegar.
Oh, how you know?
I mean, it's not bad. I would put it on my salad, just not drink it for a shot. How are you drinking that?
If you like vinegar, this is actually not bad. What's your rating for it? I'm giving it a 2 for me. It's a 2. It's a 2.
It's like a 3 for me.
Okay. Okay. Our final pickle tasting item, an onion pickle. Now, I do not like pickles, but I do love onions. And I do love cucumbers, and I do love vinegar. Look, that's how big it is.
I think it's best to split it.
Okay. We're gonna split it. Okay. This is the size of my pickle. It's better than the pickle damn pop. Oh my God. I give that tasting a 1.
The aftertaste was weird, so I'm gonna give it a 4.
All right, so there you guys have it. A pickle hater and a pickle lover. I think the best one collectively was the pretzels. I gave it a 5 and she gave it a 4. So yeah, there you guys have it. Let us know in the comments what you guys would try, and don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.